Sticker Mountain's checkout feature makes it even easier and faster to order your custom labels and stickers in bulk. Once you have something in your cart, you can easily add additional products in a few simple clicks. First, click on the Add New Product button. A menu will pop up with all the information we need for your designs. Next, you will select the product type, stock, lamination, shape, size, and quantity for your label or sticker. Below is the live quote for the item and an option to write out any notes for us to follow. Next, click Add, and the item will be added to your cart. You also have the option to duplicate your items, so that all you need to do is upload the artwork and can make any necessary updates. Once you have all of your items created, you can upload the artwork by pressing the button here. Once it is uploaded, you can hover your mouse over the image and it will zoom in to give you a bigger thumbnail of your artwork. Notice that as you add more items, a discount is automatically applied, so that the more items you have, the bigger the discount. Now that your cart is ready, head to checkout to finish your order and get the approval process started. At Sticker Mountain, we make it fast and easy to order your custom designs in bulk, so that you can focus on what you do best. Sticker Mountain. The best part of us is to be a part of you.